Okay, good evening. Welcome to
Math number 56.
Math number 56. These are problems from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath blog, and today is a beginning probability question from one of their contests. Actually, about 75% of the people got this one right.
So it's not that hard.
Well, it's not necessarily that hard, but you have to know what they mean by probability. A board game spinner is divided into three regions, labeled A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Right?
Yep.
The probability of the spinner landing in region A is 1/3, and on region B is 1/2. What is the probability of the spinner landing in region C? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yep.
All right. What can you tell me about a game spinner like this? What do you do with it?
Well, you spin something and it lands in an area.
Oh, okay, good. All right, well, what do you think about this problem?
Well, probability means the number of good outcomes over the number of total outcomes.
Okay, great.
So we've got A is 1/3 and B is 1/2.
Yeah.
Well, does it have to add up to 1?
Well, why would probability have to add up to 1?
Because that would be the total outcomes.
That would be all the outcomes divided by all the outcomes, which is?
1.
1.
Well, 1/3 and 1/2.
What's that thing you're holding in your hand? Oh, it's a pen? What does it do?
1/3 plus 1/2. Well, no. I need to multiply this by 3/3.
3/3, okay.
It's 2/6 plus 3/6, which is 4/6, or 2/3. No, wait, 5/6. 5/6.
Let's start over with that. Okay,
Why?
1/2 plus 1/3. Can you do that starting right here? 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay. How do you add those together?
Multiply this by 3/3.
So how do you add fractions?
You got a common denominator.
Okay, the common denominator here is what?
6.
All right, good.
It's 3/6 plus 2/6,
Now hold on a second.
which is 5/6.
Hold on a second. Don't go so fast. We have to do 3 plus 2. Okay? 3 plus 2 is?
5.
Okay, and how do you know that?
Because 3 plus 2 is 5.
Because if you have 3 apples and 2 apples. Okay, 5, 6.
So the probability of the spinner landing in region C would be 1/6.
1/6. Okay. Very good. And the reason is, the spinner has to land somewhere, right?
Yeah. You can't land outside the
It's
board.
not going to land outside. So it has to land somewhere. Half the time it lands here, 1/3 of the time it lands here, and that leaves,
The
since
6.
1/2 plus 1/3 is 5/6, that means 1/6 of the time it's going to land in here. Very good job. And you can kind of see it from the picture, right? This looks like about 1/6 of a circle.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so the important thing was find the fractions. You know they all have to add up to 1 together, but these two all by themselves add up to how much?
5/6.
5/6. Okay, so that means to get to 1, all you need is 1/6. Okay, good job. Even though 3 plus 2 is
5.
5. All right. Here. Can you erase for me? Thanks.